There's a product called Ponytail. I ordered it off Instagram on the website. It has like a little pouch that you can put the ponyos in it. I ordered the blonde and the black, so you put your 2 fingers through, put your hair through it, through the ponytail like that. Let me turn around here. And it creates that perfect pony. Oh my goodness, that actually works really good. I didn't think it was going to be that easy. Wow. So that would be like a low pony. I really couldn't do a high pony because my hair is short, but it actually grips pretty good. Let's get crazy and see if this falls out. I'm going to do it really, really hard. And no, it doesn't. So I think I could actually wear this to the gym. I'm happy with it. I like the way it looks. It's a cute little pony. It does create that perfect ponytail effect. I'm really glad I purchased it. I would repurchase another one. I think it's a really great gift, you know, for birthdays or just because gifts.